Okay, and hello. Here's a review of the delivery service from Wild Fork. I'm in Las Vegas, and this must have came from LA or somewhere. Let's see where it came from. It came from Vernon, California. Okay, and they shipped this stuff in a box full of dry ice. So, without any further delay, let's see what's in the box. Of course, with one hand here, we'll open it up because I can hold the phone to record without cutting my fingers off or causing bodily harm to myself. We'll get this job done. All right, here it is. Again, this is a huge packing job. I mean, if nothing else, you get a really great box that you could send things out with. All right, so they always put dry ice in the top here. I've done this twice now. And, well, I'm not seeing dry ice yet. I got some packing in here. There's the dry ice bomb right there. Don't put your fingers on that. You'll freeze your fingers off. You'll get a frostbite. Do not touch the damn thing. All right, so I'm just going to grab it like this and shuffle it aside and see what's inside here. Okay, so here we go. We got some frozen. And here's the steak. So this is the star of the show that I wanted. So that's a huge endeavor for just shipping a few things, but they come frozen, and yep, these are frozen really well. Here's a steak I bought for Christmas Day. They aren't big steaks, but hey, we'll give it a try. The price on these is pretty good. In fact, it's a lot better than Omaha Steaks. It's a lot better than, what is it, a Northwest Steak thing. All these guys just resell things from other vendors in the middle of America somewhere. So those guys are just middleman markup. I guess these guys are too, but the stuff is cheaper and it comes one day. Omaha Steaks, oh my gosh, you gotta order now and we'll get it to you in a week or two. It's like, who wants that stress? If you're gonna order for Christmas, who wants all that trouble? So again, the Wild Fork, in my book, rocks, okay? And so here's what's gonna happen to these guys. I'm gonna grab these things and watch this. They go in the freezer with the other ones, ready for Christmas Day. And that's the end of the story. Wild Fork came in one day. And now for the dry ice. I'm gonna put this in the freezer just because it'll cause my freezer not to work as hard. Or it'll confuse the refrigerator. I don't know what it will do, but okay, picking it up. This stuff is like, how cold is it? I don't know. I'm half tempted to put a thermometer on here and see how cold it goes. That would be kind of fun, wouldn't it? All right, well, let's put it in the freezer somewhere if we can find a place where it won't harm anything. Where does the dry ice go without it breaking something? Because it could definitely break plastic and freeze it and crack it. This is a metal shelf. Maybe we'll put Mr. Dry Ice or Miss Dry Ice right there. Here it is again. Don't touch the damn stuff. It'll harm you. I'm grabbing it by the scruff of the neck. Putting a dry ice here. And I don't want it touching the side of the fridge. And there it is. So it'd be kind of fun to put this stuff in a drink. And I should do that. How to cool your drink with dry ice. All right, people. I hope you enjoyed this. Again, this is a Wild Fork. And look at the great... I mean, if you buy and sell on eBay like I do, this is great packing material. This arrived with enough dry ice to last a couple of days, I bet. But it's not real hot right now in Las Vegas. It's like, Alexa, temperature outside.
Right now, it's 45 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay,
Today,
so
expect a high of 51 degrees.
it's not getting real hot here. And I fixed the screen door. Check it out. So there's the screen door that the previous tenants here wrecked. And I put the screen in myself today. Or yesterday I did that. And I didn't do a great job. You can see it has like little ripples in it and stuff. Because they send the screen crinkled up. And so I let it sit on the... Oh, okay. That's the beagle from hell. 2 houses down, 1 house down. It's making a lot of racket. The beagle from hell. I swear I live in a dog pound here. Anyway, yeah, this door, and of course the rollers on top were all not moving and frozen, so I put WD-40 on those guys. I think the 40's out here still somewhere. And on the bottom, and now the door works rather nicely. So I watched a video on YouTube, it was really insightful, of a fellow who does this stuff, and he said, you put the bottom ones on the ridge, so the bottom rollers go on this ridge right here. They go there, not inside, they go on the ridge. The top ones go in the channel, and then you adjust them with these screws on the sides here. There's screws on the sides, which you tighten up clockwise to make the roller stand out proud, and counterclockwise to retract the roller. So I did all that, and this thing would not even move before. So this door was going to sit out all winter. And I thought, no, let's put it back. I fixed the screen, but it wasn't a perfect job, so people didn't like it, but maybe this is fine. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Is that beagle ever going to shut up? I don't know. Take care.